Alright, my Jedi friends, I had a young Padawan who wants to know how long this toy lightsaber is.
You've only begun to discover your power.
It's a pretty cool lightsaber. Not bad for under 20 bucks. It's all plastic. So the total length of the lightsaber is 30 inches. The hilt is about 10 inches, just like a lot of the more realistic lightsabers. And 20 inches for the blade at full extension. It does retract slightly so that you can kind of carry it around and put it in a toy box. And then the blade is 9 inches and the overall length is 19. Hope this answers your question. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody else. May the Force be with you.